There you go.
When Mum asks you to pick coconuts, but you get distracted.
Yeah, right.
Even though they argue, they still respect each other's territories.
Yes.
Attention, a new bird species has just been discovered. Wow, why is this water bowl so big? Drinking like this tastes even better. If you have 2 kids, make sure to buy matching items for them.
Stand. She's an idiot, isn't she?
Vean esto, él mismo empuja su jaulita.
You can completely preserve your 24 hours if the toy can please Kitty like this.
I have it set on random.